Hello guys, how are you? I'm your host Atyam, and in this video I will teach you how can we play YouTube in background on our Android or iPhone devices. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos and updates. Let's move to the first method. For this method, you need to have Google Chrome browser installed on your device. So if you have not Google Chrome browser, download it from Google Play Store or App Store in case of iPhone. After downloading it, open Google Chrome browser. In the address bar, type youtube.com. It will open the mobile version of youtube.com. Play any video or search for video that you want to play in the background. So starts playing. Tap on three dots on the upper right corner of Chrome browser. It will open up a menu. Search for the option desktop site. Click on this. It will automatically reload the desktop version of youtube.com. Tap on play button. The video will start playing. Now press the home key. Push down the notification bar. You can see there is a notification of the video that we were playing in the Google Chrome browser. Tap on the play button. Now the video is playing in the background. You can do anything else. You can open up any other application or do anything in the background while the video is playing in the background. Let's move to the second method. For this method, open Google Play Store. You have to download an application named Floating Tube. Download this application to speed up the process. I have already downloaded it. I will open it up directly. From this application, it will show you some ads, but don't worry. I'm sorry. You can search for the video that you want to play. Play the video that you want to listen in the background. As you can see, the video has been started playing. Now press the home key. As you can see, the video is playing in a pop-up window. You can stop it, you can zoom it, you can move it anywhere to the screen, and you can do anything else in the background. You can open any other application. Now let's move to the third method. For this method, you also need to open Google Play Store and type YA Music. Install this first application. I have already installed it, so I will open it directly. This application, you can search for your favorite video that you want to play in the background. Play the video that you want to listen in the background and press the home key. As you can see, the video is playing in a small pop-up window. You can do anything else. You can open any other application in the background while the video is playing in the background in a pop-up window. So if you really like these methods to play YouTube in background, like this video, subscribe to my channel, interesting videos, and share this video. Bye bye.